Hi, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? In this time, my friend, Hedera price will increasing 14.32%. Hedera Hashgraph price will increase, pumps up. So first of all, congratulations for all of you, my friends. So this time, Hedera Hashgraph on the trending, and definitely price will starting increasing now. I am so happy because I am also holder of Hedera Hashgraph. The price will increasing, and what we will need, my friends, to do to get a very good profit now. So therefore, my friend, I will notify you to if they will just and only give you a 14% profit, my friends. So that's mean to they will easily hit now $1 just in only in 1 month, my brother. But definitely they were sometime very badly fails down. Absolutely, after this fails they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I will notify you to my friends. You can see here today they will hit now 0.48 USD dollars. So that's mean, my friends, so this is the highest target now. I hope, my friend, this time absolutely they cannot hit, they cannot say, but I hope in upcoming time, my friend, they will again, my friends, hit this target and they will give you all this very good profit now, my friend. So thanks for watching, my all viewers, my subscriber. Please, if you are new my channel, now subscribe this channel, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time you will also, my friends, do this now. So please hold now and subscribe this channel. Please hold and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz.